Ishkaran Bhandari, who will they believe? I think if God descends on earth, they will not believe God also, because they have decided, they have made up their mind that they have to criticize Prime Minister Modi, and therefore उनका धर्म ही वो हो गया है कि हम criticize करेंगे.
Navika ji,
it's a question to me, sir. Navika ji, it's a question to me. You had your turn. Can I speak now? It's a question to me. Let me speak. Let us have some order here.
Okay, Abbas Haider. Ishkaran is responding to all your concerns. आप सरकारी मुसलमान नहीं हैं, आप ओवैसी जी के दोस्त हैं. समझ गए. अब ईश्वरन भंडारी.
नाविका जी, ये 14 और 19 के बाद, नाविका जी ये 14 और 19, नाविका वी कैन लोअर द फीडर. नाविका जी, ये 14 और 19 के बाद आजकल इलेक्शन रिजल्ट नहीं माने, उसमें बोलते हैं ईवीएम खराब है, तो ये क्या मानेंगे? बट ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, व्हाट योर डिबेट इज इस्लामोफोबिया बोगी derailed? You want a short answer? No, because Islamophobia bogie cannot be derailed by facts. Because the entire narrative is not dependent on facts. The entire narrative of Islamophobia is a beautifully carved out strategy in which you play the victimhood to corner greater and greater benefits for yourself. Now that sort of a strategy will never be demolished by facts, will never be demolished by research. And I will give you an international research. Pew Research Agency says 98% Muslims in India feel very comfortable, free to practice their religion. 2% say somewhat, 0% say no freedom. But that data will not be discussed, even though it's a deep research. Why? Because the basic aim is what Manmohan Singh said, the first right on resources belongs to a minority community. Even under this government, data after data, I won't repeat what Anand has quoted, shows more than 30-35% of various schemes going to Muslim community. This is all enabled by a logic of Islamophobia to put the government on defensive, so they keep on giving more than the share of population. But that is one part of it. The second aspect of this is every country which wants to address facts and deal with India, be it country like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Palestine, Egypt, Afghanistan, Bahrain, recognizes that there is no threat to Muslims in India. The only threat to anybody is parties like Mr. Owaisi, who rely on a Muslim vote bank. Increasingly, they are feeling threatened or marginalized. Hence this bogey of Islamophobia, after 10 awards, 100 awards, by UN Security Council approving it, UN General Assembly approving India, will never end, because the logic is not facts, the logic is vote bank and staying in power.
Well,